just the beginning. And to all of you here, again, thank you very much. Metropolitan College and I, we have a very wonderful partnership, and this is just the beginning. The staff and the board of directors of the Metropolitan College for this wonderful opportunity, remarkable opportunity that you offer to the Haitian student to come over here to study and to receive a master's degree that you offer administration to the Haitian student to come over here to study and to receive a master's.
Oh, say, can you see by the thunderly light the drapeau pour la patrie, il est beau, mourir est beau, donnons
For the next speaker, I would like to address some few words in Creole for my Haitian mothers and fathers who are here. Bonsoir, comment nous est? Come on, plus fort. Bonsoir, comment nous est? Ok. Kébé, c'est ça, voilà, la pluie est très dure.
La boulée.
La boulée. Ça passé?
La boulée.
All right, very good. Eh bien, je vous dirais, son gros, je vous dis, vous non.
23 years working at the college, this is probably the most important thing I've ever done. And so, I'm very proud to introduce you to the president of Metropolitan College of New York, Dr. Benton.
My thanks to Dean Lenhart. When we got together at that staff meeting last winter and said, in the face of this tragic devastation, what can we do as an institution? We decided, I think rightly, that we could do what we do best. That is, we could educate. And when we looked at the resources that
Miss Nostra Odat Jumine, could you please put your hands together?
Everybody, thanks for coming tonight. First of all, I want to thank my God for giving me this blessing opportunity. When I received the news from my sister, it was a very exciting news for me to have the opportunity to be part of this program that will be helping me to be part of the emergency plan that we need in Haiti. After the earthquake, a lot of people died because there was no emergency plan to save them. When we were watching this was very terrible. And I really thank my sister and his husband to let me know.
Good evening.
The mic.
I'm very happy to be there to take part to this special ceremony organized for Haitian scholarship. Thanks to that lasting support, we will be able to strengthen our service to become more helpful when we come back to Haiti. I personally congratulate also member Dr. Machu and Metropolitan College staff who accept to involve in that project after the earthquake of January 12th to help a
Wow, I'm impressed. Now let me call Emily Gerard. Will you please come?
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening.
Good evening.
As you know, my name is Elijah. Some people call me Elijah. I'm very happy to be right here in USA, especially in New York, to increase my knowledge, my skills.
From the Armenian mentor, will you please come?
Mr. the President of MCNY, Dr. Vinton Thompson, and his staff, Mr. the Council Member, Mr. Matthew Eugene, and his staff, dear housing sponsors, dear colleagues and friends. Good evening. First of all, I want to thank God to give me this opportunity. I've been always dreaming of studying, of helping Haiti, but I didn't see how.
Good evening to everyone, and thanks to those that made the effort to come in our celebration. Before I start to thank the
who has helped me throughout my life. And also, I would like to thank Dr. Vincent Thompson and Mr. Eugene, Patricia Ramos, and Mr. Lenhart, who has made it possible for me to be here tonight. And also, I would like to thank some of my family members who are here. And also, I would like to thank all of you. Well, I want to take you guys a little back in my past, just to give a little account about it.
Think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar. Give me rest to that open door. I believe I can fly. 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 I believe open door. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. I believe I open door. You eating already? I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly.